Hello beloved, today I want to teach how to make a corset blouse. How to cut perfect corset blouse. First of all, you take your nipple to nipple. This nipple to nipple is 8. Divided by 2 is 4. Plus half inches for sewing allowance is 5 inches. So take 4.5 straight down here and make a straight line. And come to this side, this upper side there. Remove measure your upper bust. This upper bust here is 7. And measure the armhole, the shoulder, and shoulder here is 8. Say that 8 as in the armhole. This is 8. Make a straight line of it. This is 8. Make a straight line of 8. Remember this is the upper bust. Upper bust is very important when you're making perfect blouse. Whatever blouse you're making, very important. Take an upper bust. Upper bust is after the neck, before the breast. That is upper bust. This is 7, and the armhole line is 8, and the breast point of this is 12. And I can take 12.5, 11.5, and the under bust here is 15. The waistline is 18. And I'm starting now. From the under bust, like I said, under bust you're going to remove it. You remove 1 inch from the under bust. Remove 1 inch on this side. Inside, remove 1 inch. Come to this upper bust here. Come down by 2 inches. Come by 2 inches. And from that 2 inches, go inside by half inch. Make a straight line, little straight line like this. Remember, this is our breast point line. Make sure that you take this half inches here again, and make straight line from this from that 2. You come down from the neck, go make straight line to this breast point line here. Make straight line there. I'm going to be covering it now. Before there, I'm going to be covering it, and before there, come to this upper bust side. Remove 1 inch this side, and at the side part, remove 1.5. Remove 1.5 from the side part here. So remove 1 inch from this middle part, and the side part remove 1.5. Come to this side. This is the breast point. For you to get very nice curve, from the breast point, come down by 1 inch and go up by 1 inch. You see the reason why it's like that. So that because if you take your curve from this point here, it will make the point pencil. So for you not to for you to avoid that pencil, come down by 1 inch here and go up by 1 inch. So from this is the armhole. From this armhole here, make straight line to meet with this breast point line. Make straight line, use your ruler, and before there, from this armhole line here, just go inside by half inch. By half inch. From that half inch again, make straight line to meet with this breast point line. And you use your French curve, please. When you're cutting this, when you're making this corset blouse, whichever blouse, please, whichever pattern you are cutting, always make use of your French curve. From this French curve, from this breast point line here, so this one I remove from the under bust, make curve from there. This is the curve I'm making here. Make curve and come to this side. This side. Remember, I come down from the neck part here. From this upper bust here, I come down by 2 inches. From that 2 inches, I go inside by half inches. From that half inches, I bring it down to meet with this breast point so that it can easily curve. Now, I put your French curve like this. Let your French curve touch the half inches you go in with, and make curve from that 1 inch here, from 1 inch from the under the breast to meet with this breast point line here. And this is how to get. I've gotten the side curve, and I'm going to be cutting making curve, the inside curve. Now remember, I come down by this from this breast point. I come down by 1 inch here, and I go by 1 inch. From that 1 inch here, place your French curve on it. Make sure that it touch the underboard, the one I remove from the underboard. Now make straight line, so it will not give it pencil. It will not make it a pencil. And go straight to this place again. This 1.5 inches. Make sure it touches this 1 inch to go up to make curve line. So this is how I've done with this side and come to this side again. Remember, I come down by one. So this one under the bust, make cuff and let the cuff meet to the upper side. Now in this corset blouse, we have different type of neckline. You can take this is the neckline here. This is how I'm going to take it. I take the neckline. Now you can take it, you can make it straight as in V-neck from this 1 inches here, and you can make it cuff. In this tutorial, I'm making round neck. Now use your front cuff like this. You place it to meet with the 1 inches here and make cuff. And this is my neck line. This is my neckline. I'm using I want a round neck. Now come for this armhole part. Now I'm not going to be using this one. And this is going to be the original armhole now. From there, place your armhole like this to meet your front cuff to meet with this one and make cuff. Make cuff. See the cuff. So this is my new armhole. This is my new armhole. Okay, this is my armhole. Sorry for that. This is the breast upper bust line. This is the armhole bust line. So from this bust line here, you make cuff. So see what I did now. This is my new armhole now. From this 1 inch I remove from this place. You know, from here to here I remove 1 inch and 1.5. You can remove 1 inch, but I prefer to take 1.5. So from this 1.5 here, so for this armhole here, and now curve it down to this to meet with this armhole. So this is now my new armhole. This is the old one. This is the new one. So this is how you're going to do. For you to know where you want to side and center, so you give it mark. And this is the middle part. This is middle side. You take it side 1 and side 2, and center 1 and center 2, and this is the side, and you use it S1, that is side 1 and side 2. Remember, this is our side. This one is this middle side goes with this particular one. Now in this particular tutorial, I'm making peplum on it. I'm going to stop it on 18, and this is 18. From there now, and remember the one I took from this waist underbust, take it down to this waistline here and make straight line of it. Don't curve it, make straight line of it. Let it be straight. Let it be straight like this. Make straight line for it. So this is how it is. I'm going to be cutting it now. And after that, you're going to take your normal measurement. And this measurement here now is 18. Is 8 inches. You add the one you are removing. I'm removing 2 inches. One here, one here. You add the 2 inches here plus my sewing allowance. This is my sewing allowance here. So you come to this my bust here. My bust measurement is 9, and you add the 1.5 I remove plus the one that is 2.5. You add the sewing allowance on it. This is it. I come to this waistline. You take this measurement and make it. So I'm going to be cutting it now. Now remember, let me explain this particular thing. Now, if after finish making it, if you want to add lace at the upper side, so when you cut, after you cut it finish, make sure that what I removed was 6. Now remember, if you are putting as a lace at the upper side, remember the 6 I removed, add it when you are cutting the lace. Make sure that you cut lace up to 9 inches. Because when you are putting it, it's going to cover all this lace. Make sure that when you are cutting your net or lace, whatever material you are using, cut 9 or 10 inches after you trim it out. So after that, remember before you cut this corset blouse, use pattern like this to cut your corset blouse. After that, you add half inches. You add half inches on this side. Just add half inches on round the corset. But while cutting it, don't add any allowance on this particular corset. Don't add. It's after you finish. If after you finish it, if you want to use to cut the other material, that is when you will add allowance. Now I'm going to be cutting it now. I cut from this waistline here.